Welcome to Learn Math Today, Smart Learning, Smarter You. This app is designed to help you understand math better and score better in your exams. Whether you're learning new topics, practicing questions, or revising, Learn Math Today makes math learning fun and interactive. Once you log in, you will see that you're in this home session as highlighted by this home icon. Here you will see a apprentice tiger representing your progress. You will have a score. You will also have the number of video watched or number of activity attempted. To encourage the habit of learning on a daily basis, the current streak show the number of consecutive days you have engaged with the app. If you skip a day, it resets by itself to 0. So keep practicing daily to increase this streak. Now let's explore the app by going to the topic section. As you can see, there's only 2 topics right here, but more will be added soon. Let's select metrics. And then for every topic, there are 3 different types of things you can do. The lesson plan, where you have step-by-step learning, study notes, which are quick summaries, and quiz to test understanding. Let's try the lesson plan. You can see there are many subtopics under the topic matrices. For example, you forget how to add 2 matrices together, right? Let's go to the topic addition of matrices. Now you can see there's 4 things that pop up. The one with the red icon, this looks like a video, which means this is a video to watch the topic on addition of matrices. And then there will be a few questions after that related to this same topic. Now let's do this one, addition of matrices video. As you can see, a video will pop up. You can just press play on it. And then you can pause anytime you want. There's also will be notes on this thing, on this topic. And then you can press next. Okay, now we have questions. You can see this is a question where you have just answer true and false. You're asked the following: can the following pair of matrices be added together? Answer true if they can be added together. So in this case, you can go to ask press hint. Okay, 2 matrices can be added together only if they have the same number of rows and columns. So they don't have the rows and columns, so this is false. This one is true. False. False, but let's make a mistake and create it true and see what happened. You can see it will tell you the answer is incorrect. Let's change it to true. Okay, you got it correct, right? So once you got your question correct, you can always go back to your lesson plan. So you see if you click on this again, you can see that this yellow tick now appear because you answered it correctly. Now let's try another question, matrix addition 2. Now this is not a true and false question. They ask you to add the matrices together. There's 2 ways you can answer this question. One is by the MCQ mode or the AI tutor mode. So let's try the MCQ mode first. If you click on MCQ mode by clicking on this icon, you will see they'll just give you 4 options and then you're supposed to just click on the answers. So if you click on, let's say you click on something wrong, it'll tell you this is incorrect, right? And then if you need more hint, you can always click on the hint icon. And sometimes if you decide to give up and you just want to see the answer, this is the answers button. So it will show you, okay, I have a paywall appearing, not mine. Okay, so this will actually show you, if you answer, you click yes, it show you the answers. Right. What's cool about this app is that we try to simulate an examination environment where there's no MCQ mode. Right, if you have to do a addition of matrices, right, let's go back to the same question again. Right, now you can choose to answer this question by using the handwriting canvas. Now let's answer the question. So the answer should be 1, 4, 9, 5, 3, 3, but let's make a mistake, 5, 1, 1. We just like this, and then press submit. You notice that there's a clear, which clear the screen, undo, which is undo your last move. Okay, so I press undo. So now it's coming back. You can save it to your, save this to your photos if you want to take a snapshot, or you can submit. Let's submit. Okay, so in this case, the AI is marking for you right now and see whether you got the answers correct. Now it tells you the answers you done wrongly, and they explain to you why you are done, what happened. Right? Okay, so as you can see just now, let's go back to the same question again. Right? We can either do the handwriting canvas, or we can take a photo. So maybe you don't want to write on your phone, you don't have an iPad, and you prefer to write on a piece of paper. So let's just pretend we have a piece of paper. We write all the answers, and then we click on take photo. So this is my paper which I wrote the answer, right? As you can see, I wrote it on a piece of paper. I press photo, right? And here we can choose, we can adjust how you want this to be marked. So I only choose a portion where it's relevant to the answer. I press on use photo here. And now AI will be grading and that's it for the results. Cool, now we answer this correctly. Now let's go back to lesson plan. You can see, because we answered this correctly, now this is marked as tick. Now let's just do one more question. Okay, this is a long question and you can just read by yourself. Okay, for example, let's do the MCQ mode, right? Let's imagine we just do something wrongly. Okay, we answered the wrong question. Okay, and then we decided that yeah, maybe this answer we do wrongly, we don't know what to do. But what should we do next? Right, if you have done the question wrongly, if you are at the home screen, you go to the revision tab here. You click on revision here. These will be the questions where you have done wrongly, like just now, the one here. Right, this is the one you did wrongly. So anything that you did wrongly, you can always go back to the revision tab and you'll see what to do. And along with the question you do wrongly, they also show you the video you can watch here. So you click on this one, this actually is a topic on matrix introduction and definition, which is related to the question you just did wrongly. So for example, in this case, you're just supposed to define the matrices, right? And then for example, let's see, this one wrong, wrongly, you do, finally you got it correct. And then you are done here. And the question is gone from here. So this is a quick tutorial to show how to use the app. Have fun, smart learning, smarter you. Thank you for your time.